Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to register with Bitmart. Alright, how to register with Bitmart. Alright, so please, before we begin, if you know you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will keep updating you with informations like this. Alright, now let's dive into it. As you can see, here's the app. I just downloaded it from the app store. Here is the app store. This is Bitmart, buy Bitcoin and crypto. All right, so we are going to open it like this. When you touch open, it's going to bring you here. Then what you're going to do is get started. If you are new here, you press on get started here. When you touch get started, as you can see, they ask for your email. All right, so we have to search for our country here. Let's go back a bit. Let me show you where to touch. When you touch where you see this +1, or you touch for email here. When you touch email here, it will just ask you to, or if you want to start with your Gmail, you look down here, you touch Gmail. So I'm going to look down here and touch my Gmail here account, and I'm going to choose the exact email that I'm going to use for this account. Right, it is going to direct me to where my emails are, and from there I'm going to choose the exact email that I think I'm going here. All right, so I'm going to continue here. I'm going to register, right, with this email address. All right, so they said create, using this Google, create new Bitmart accounts. And the second one here, they say link an existed Bitmart. To do here, we're going to touch create. The first thing here, we're going to touch it like this. So creating, they ask for email, then you have to add your password first. Down here, you touch down here, they're asking you for a password. All right, so as you can see, I've just finished with my email address here. All right, so let's continue. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to leave my referral link for you guys. They will ask for referral, and when you are going to add my referral, you look down here, you see referral to the right here. When you touch it like this, then you put my referral code in here, you write it here. All right, I'm going to drop the referral code for you. All right, I'm going to drop the referral code, what you are going to write here where this referral is. All right, good. Then you press, after writing it, you press on confirm. All right, so after confirming, they are going to brought this, and a lot of people are finding this difficult, which is very easy. What you are going to do is you look up here, they say select in this order. You just look at it the way it is up here, just try to arrange it like that. So we are going to touch the first one, which is like a pot. We are going to touch it like this. Then the second one is a leaf, then we are going to touch it like this. Then this swords is the last one here. We touch the swords, then we press OK. As you can see, we are verification access. All right, so we just access the verification. So now they are sending me an email. I have to go and check my email for confirmation verification. So I'm going to check on my email. Here's the verification. Let me check it. The number 760926. all right, 760926. 760926. all right, 760926. all right, they just sorry guys, I don't know what happened, but they just kick us out. So I have to check on the email one more time. All right, so let's do this one more time. This money first, then this one, then this draw. I press OK. It's going to take me there one more time, in case if you have issue like this. All right, so they have sent another email for me. I don't know if I minimize it, they are gonna have to check the email one more time. So as you can see, I just need to paste this. So no pasting. I have to read it. 760926, 760926, 760926. So you just need to press next. So welcome. As you can see, click enter. Then they say start now. I hope tax and lucky draws winning reward up to 8,000 USD. So as you can see, this is it. All right, as it's very easy as that. All right, and let me show you one thing here, one more thing here. When you look, you press your profile up here. When you press your profile up here, you just, as you can see, this is your ID up here. This is almost like this is everything here in here. So guys, just calm down. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video. Make sure you go and register with this. And the CPEN is going to launch on this exchanger also. CPEN is launching on this exchanger. All right, so that's all for now. And please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to drop a link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram group. If you want information like this, that is exactly where to get them. All right, thank you for watching.